Hey guys, how are you all keeping? So welcome back to another tutorial. Now today I'm going to be showing you how to do this really nice rope braided hairstyle. I think it's the perfect hairstyle for these hot months because it keeps your hair off your face and off your neck, and it doesn't require the use of hot tools either. So let's get started. Now this really is a very easy hairstyle. All you're going to do is a rope braid down the back of your head, and then you're just going to do a bun. So take a section of hair at the top of your head and then just split it in two, and then you're just going to cross the right section over the left section, and now you're going to pick up a piece of hair next to the right section, join it together, and then do the exact same on the other side. So take a piece of hair next to the left section and join it with that section, and cross the right over the left, and then you're just going to repeat this process until you get to the end. So today now I did about 4 or 5 stitches on the rope braid, and then I decided that that was enough, and then I just went back over the individual stitches and I pancaked them, so just to give it more of a messier effect. Then I just grabbed all my hair up into a ponytail and twisted it into a bun. Now because this is kind of a loose hairstyle, I didn't want to have the rope braid looking loose and messy and then the rest of my hair looking flat. So what I did was I just went and I tugged the hair around the rope braid. This just kind of gave it more of a messier effect, and then the overall hairstyle looked kind of loose and messy. So this is the hairstyle. I really hope you liked it. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thanks so much. Bye.